Hi guys.
Hi guys,
Heather and Claire. We're here again to tell you about real estate. We've missed
everything you could possibly imagine.
Yep, for sure. Keep the questions coming. We always love to hear from you. So our question today is about whether it's a buyer or seller's market. And I think we're going to talk specifically about Portland and maybe tap on the outskirts of the city a little bit, but we're going to focus on Portland primarily. So why don't you start, sis, and then I'll finish up and we'll go from there.
Well, the short answer is it's a seller's market.
It is. Has been.
Done. End of story.
And it has been for a while.
So some statistics for those of you that like statistics. We are at 1.8 months of inventory. Normal market, conventional wisdom, a normal market is 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
So why don't you explain? Yeah. So if we were selling widgets instead of houses and we were manufacturing widgets, say our houses are widgets, it would take 6 months to sell out of everything that we have currently listed without listing anything else. That's a normal market. So as you can imagine, a month and a half almost is much less than that.
For sure. And it's just really the concept of supply and demand that we all learned in middle school. If the supply doesn't meet the demand, the price increases.
Pretty much. Exactly.
But one thing that I think everyone really just nationwide should be aware of is the way interest rates are headed and what's forecast even just for 2018. So lenders are forecasting that by the end of 2018, interest rates are going to be somewhere between 5.75 and 6. Whereas last year you could still lock into a loan in
3.7
in the low fours, really at the highest. You could get at 3.7. So essentially you've gained at least 2%, or you will be looking at least a 2% gain by the end of 2018. And what you'll normally hear from a lender is that for every 1% an increase, you're going to be losing about $45,000 to $50,000 of buying power. So with a 2% increase, you're essentially decreasing your overall purchase price by about $100,000.
So this kind of gets us to the conversation that always follows the question, is it a buyer's or seller's market? And then the question is always, should I wait until the prices fall?
For sure.
And here's the problem. You can wait till the prices fall. If the prices fall $50,000, you're still going to be at the same monthly payment, which sucks.
For sure.
Really.
And so even though it may be a seller's market and buyers are sitting, waiting, you also have to take into consideration where interest rates are headed, because there's multiple variables that are going to affect you as a buyer. So I feel like sellers, Portland's been a seller's market for a while. We still see a lot of multiple offers on a regular basis. It's very competitive. It can be extremely taxing for buyers. And we maneuver that on a daily basis, and that's why
you'll be drinking a lot of wine
and calling us a lot.
It's okay. We're great therapists.
For sure. And that's really why you want a professional real estate agent advocating for you, because it gives you an upper hand in a competitive market.
But we'll see. I mean, this might change. So
it could easily
We'll talk about this in a couple months and see where we're at.
With interest rates going the way they are, it could shift pretty quickly. So stay tuned. Keep the questions coming. We always love to hear from you.
Have a great week.
And
we'll see
Heather
you
at Paris Group Realty.
Claire at Paris Group Realty.
Have a great day, guys. See ya. I got it right this time.